Oh.
Did that bother you?
No, I enjoyed it. Hello my loves and welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time here, hiya, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
And together we are those vegan guys. And today we're trying this.
Finally.
Plant-based Nutella. We've had it in the cupboard for a few weeks actually, and we just haven't got around to trying it yet, but we thought we'd give it a fair smack. So we've got a teaspoon to have a teaspoonful, and we've got half a slice of buttered toast fopper on it.
Confession, I've never been, back in the day, pre-vegan, I was never one to eat it with a spoon out, but I know that there's quite a lot of people out there that do and have. £4 from Sainsburys.
Oh.
Did that bother you?
No, I enjoyed it. But I like to go around with my fingernail.
Nice. Keep things nice and tidy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, quite excited about this. What we've heard, I mean obviously we're relying on our memory. What we've heard is it's exactly the same.
Have we heard that?
That's what I've read.
From who?
Just Fork. You know, Fork online that talk about stuff that they've tried.
Gradely Fork.
Yeah, have said that it's basically exactly the same. You can't tell the difference.
Right.
Which begs the question, why don't they just make this? Get rid of the other one. But that's a conversation for another time maybe.
Yeah. Oh,
that was close, wasn't it?
That was close.
Nearly made a right mess.
You got a right lot there.
I know.
Should we try it on the spoon first?
Yes. I think that's a good idea. Okay.
Right. I'm just going to have a little. And it's not really a little, but you know. Okay. Plant-based Nutella. It's about bleeding time.
Oh. Oh, it's rich and sweet. It's exactly how I remember it.
That's exactly how I remember it too.
Yeah.
Full of hazelnuts. And I love that. Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Right. This is how I would have had it back in the day.
Same.
If you have it on toast, would you butter your toast first? I did. I always have.
A light schmear.
It's lovely. Is it about the same price as standard Nutella?
I think so. It's got chickpeas in it. I know. Yeah. Obviously cocoa powder.
Hazelnuts.
Yeah. 350 grams. Vegan Society approved, badge on the side. Plant-based, but nice to see the vegan logo as well, just to avoid any confusion. Because sometimes when stuff says plant-based on it, you still have to be careful, don't you? You do. Plant-based is not a guarantee. But yeah, £4 at Sainsburys. That's quality. I'm right liking that.
Yeah, I think we will probably smash this on toast. For just snacks or light lunches or whatever.
With a croissant for weekend breakfast.
Oh, instead of jam.
Now,
Normally we have jam.
Now and again.
A chocolate croissant with some blueberries on the side.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
In fact, tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Have you tried it yet? Did you beat us to the punch?
You can't keep it in the fridge.
No, cupboard.
Even once opened.
Yeah.
It's got to go in the cupboard, so it keeps it nice and soft. Plant-based Nutella. It's kind of gorgeous. Definitely worth getting if you haven't tried it yet.
Yeah, that gets a double thumbs up from me.
I need a coffee now.
Or a chai.
Oh, that now has confused me.
What do you think, coffee or chai? After something like this.
We'll probably end up having a chai.
Yeah.
To be honest with you.
But no, that was absolutely brilliant. Loved it. Highly recommended. Absolutely spot on. Wish they'd have done it sooner, as I'm sure plenty of other people within the vegan community do. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely spot on. Yeah. Not much more to say, really, is there?
No. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and maybe subscribing to the channel, for we do have a great relationship with all of our subscribers, and it's quite lovely to be a part of this fantastic vegan community that revolves around our channel. Thank you. Love you, mister. Love you. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. Have a look at our channel. It's loads of content. We'll see you again very soon, and until then, will you please be excellent to yourselves and each other. Bye, loves. Nom 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 nom.